Let me explain how to record your voice in InShot on a phone. It's a straightforward and simple process, as you can see here. Follow these steps carefully to ensure success in your task. What do we need? First, tap on Audio after importing your source files into the video you plan to narrate. This step is crucial, as it sets the stage for your voice recording, ensuring everything is ready for your creative input. What do you do next? After tapping Audio, select the microphone option, then choose OK and make sure to allow all permissions. This ensures your setup is complete for recording, ready for your narration. Next, tap the red dot to start recording your voice, allowing you to fully narrate your video. This action initiates the process, capturing your voice seamlessly, ensuring your narration is perfectly integrated. Here, you can also choose to enable or disable the option to listen to your narration as you record, ensuring everything is to your liking. That's it. As you can see here, you're all set. It's really easy and simple. As you can see here, no effort is needed at all. Just relax. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good luck to all, and goodbye for now, as you can see here.